Welcome back, guys. Bath and shower tile ideas. Part 1. This is going to be demo prep. Let's show you the existing bathroom that we're going to remodel. It'll include a bathroom floor, a vanity, mirror, vent fan, light fixtures, of course, a shower, a new tub. Let's show you what we're working with. Here is the floor. We will be removing these 12 by 24s, as well as this 12 by 12 marble. We will be removing this wall, bringing it down to a pony wall or knee wall to open up the space. Of course, the new toilet. Here is our fiberglass surround. We will remove this today. We will be installing 12 by 24 tile up to here, trimming it out with Schluter Jolly. A new valve and trinket will be installed. Lots of work to do. Time to get to it. Here we go. What's up, guys? So here we are, day 2. Let's show you the progress. Demo is complete. Today is going to be backer board waterproofing. We got the tub in, plumbed the valve. We need to plumb the shower head. Let's quickly show you the progress here. Here's the bathroom. All the tile and the floor is out. Tools. We removed this wall right here to open the area up a bit, and we kept a small pony wall here for some privacy where the toilet is. Of course, the bathtub has been installed, fiberglass. We have a lot of work to do today, so it's time to get to it. We have the tub all protected. Now it's time to hang some wallboard. All right, guys, this is the final day. This is where we work a couple of hours, a few small things to do, hang a mirror, put the top on, install the sinks, collect a check,